Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mark Johnson coming back at you with another video. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to get really cheap fake followers without getting scammed. Okay, now I've put a lot of research into this video and I've sort of found the very best site that you can get followers off without getting scammed. That's really cheap. And I did get scammed a few times in the making of this video and just testing a lot of different sites for you guys. So I hope you appreciate that and smash the like button. I can safely say in 2020, this is absolutely the best site I've found for getting followers by far. Now, it is very easy to get scammed out there, and this site that I'm talking about is actually quite hard to navigate. So I'm going to show you step by step how to get these followers, how to set up the funds transfers, set everything up on this site, because it is a little tricky to navigate and you could feel like you're getting scammed on this site at first, but it's just a little tricky to navigate. You can get some really cheap followers and likes, comments, all kinds of engagement off this site. Now, stick around to the end of the video because I will be giving away 2 Instagram pages. One will be a theme page that I started. It has about 8,000 real followers, real engaged followers. I no longer have use for the page. I've moved on to bigger and better things, so I'll be giving that page away for free at the end of the video, and I'll also be giving away this page with the fake followers that we're going to use in the video as the tester. So I'm giving both of those away at the end of the video. Stick to the end of the video and find out how you can win those. Awesome, let's get stuck into it. Okay guys, so the first step is going to be to go to the site smmfollows.com. I'll leave a link down in the description, but it is smmfollows, not followers, follows.com. Once you're on the site, you'll have to make a quick account. It only takes a couple of seconds, and once you're logged in, this is what you'll be greeted with. So what we firstly need to do is go down to add funds on the side here. And now when it comes to adding funds, they have a whole bunch of different ways you can do it. You got Bitcoin here, cryptos, perfect money, all these weird things. I'm going to use PayPal because it's the safest, and I've only ever used PayPal with this. So what you need to do when transferring funds into your account is click on the PayPal and read this carefully. So it says our PayPal email is abbymarshall42@gmail.com. That's where you need to send the payment to. And you're going to need to attach this note. As you can see here on the screen, this payment is for services and it is not refundable. You need to attach that note when you send the payment to their address. So however much you want to put in your account, $10 will buy you about 10,000 followers. It's really cheap, and that's guaranteed followers with it should be auto refill as well. They have a whole bunch of other options there, cheap likes, cheap followers, whatever you want to buy. So what we're going to do is send in $10 to this person. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on my phone. So again, it's simply the email address, and then this payment is for services and is not refundable. You need to attach that note to the payment. As you can see guys, I'm about to send the payment of $10 to the address, and I've added on in the notes, this payment is for services and is not refundable, as it says to do. Next. Okay, so as you can see, this is the transaction we just sent, and we've got the transaction ID there. And now on our site, we want to go ahead and go down to tickets, and you need to submit a new ticket. So for the subject, you just put PayPal payment and then your email address that you sent it with. And then for your message, you need to put down your email address, then under that you need to put your transaction ID. So that's the transaction ID of the payment that you sent to them, and under that you're going to need to put the amount that you sent. Okay, and then you're going to have to submit the ticket. Check, make sure everything's 100% right. Press submit ticket. Okay, so that's gone through. You can see it says pending. And we'll just check that. Yep. So that's perfect. Okay, now you're gonna have to wait a little while. You may have to wait up to 10 hours. Usually they're done in about half an hour to an hour, but they do say up to 10 hours wait before the funds will be in your account. So once the funds are in your account, you can go simply to new order, which is on the side. As you can see, I have 20 cents in there at the moment, but soon I'll have the extra $10 in there. And here are your options. So for categories, we've got all the different types of services they offer. So you can get comments, you can get specific real followers, you can get followers with no refills. I usually get Instagram followers guaranteed, and this is what I usually get: Instagram followers, 30K auto refill, and that's 98 cents per 1,000 followers, which is so cheap for automatically refilled followers, because you do lose some. That is so cheap. You can get much cheaper ones here. You can get all kinds of different things. They have so many services. This is honestly such a great site. For now though, who knows what could happen with this site. I don't know how allowed this is. So for now, 2020, this is the site to use. Okay guys, so it's the next day now, and our payment has gone through. It's been accepted. What will happen when it is accepted is you'll get a little notification on your PayPal saying that the person you sent the money to has updated the shipping, and it will say the goods and services have been sent. And then you can log on back onto your SMM followers account, and go down to tickets, and you'll see that ticket has been answered. Instead of pending, it will now say answered. So after it said answered, your account should reflect how much money you sent to that email address. So as you can see, we've got some money in there now, and we can go right on ahead and order some followers. So we go up to new order as we did before, select the followers that we want. So we're going to go Instagram followers guaranteed. And we just select the first one. This is what I usually do, 98 cents per 1,000. Quantity, we'll go 10,000 followers. And we just need to link the account. Okay guys, so we've copy and pasted the link to the Instagram page that we want to send the followers to. This is the brand new one that we just made, Marketing King 123. And now, after you've filled everything else in, how many followers you want, you just simply go place order. Submit down the bottom here. Okay, so that has gone through. Your order has been received. Now it's just a matter of waiting. Let's see how long it takes for these followers to come through. Currently it is 9 AM. So let's give it a couple minutes and see what happens. Okay guys, so we're back again. As you can see, I'm in my trade outfit now. I've been doing some work on the new house, and we're checking back in. It's now 1 PM and our follower count is at 3,344. It actually took a long time to start have the followers coming in, which is kind of strange because usually it happens straight away. But I almost thought I got scammed because it took about 1 to 2 hours for it to actually start piling up. So that was a little bit strange. But it's definitely heaps of followers are coming in now. As you can see, we're at 3,344, and we'll check back in when we're at the 10,000. Okay guys, so we're going to check back in. The time is 5:30 and we've hit the 10K mark. It probably took about 7 hours. I haven't really been checking up on it. It actually took a bit longer than it usually does, but I don't know, maybe they were just running a bit slow today. But as you can see, this site is really awesome. It's definitely not a scam yet, so just be cautious because this could get taken down, this site, you know, who knows what could happen. So always be cautious, but there you go. This is how to buy fake followers, step by step. And there's the social proof that you need. Let's check out some of these followers, just so I can show you. Basically, they're all just these accounts with one profile picture, and they're following like 154 people. So you've got the social proof for your drop shipping Instagram pages, your company Instagram pages now. And that's all you need. You just need the social proof, and so you can get the swipe up story link as well. Okay guys, so now for the competition that I told you guys about at the beginning of this video. Alright, so I'm giving away the 2 pages. We've got Jet Ski Clips, which is a theme page I started originally, and built up to, it's actually got 7,000 followers. It has obviously lost some over the past couple of months because I haven't been posting on it. It's been completely inactive, but they are real followers. As you can see, the last couple of posts, views and likes, we got 1,105 likes on the most recent post. Let's go the one before that, 1,255. So you can see it's got plenty of good natural engagement here, and I'll be giving this page away for free because I no longer have use for it. Okay, so that's the first page, and the second page is the Marketing King 123 that has all the fake followers on it. So we're giving both those pages away. All you got to do is go follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, and just leave a comment on my last post on Instagram. Doesn't have to be anything crazy, no emojis. It's got to be a genuine comment about something to do with the post or something to do with dropshipping, marketing, some genuine value. Don't just spam with emojis. And then I'll pick the winner and announce it in 2 days on my Instagram story, and then I'll DM you and send you the password and everything to the page, two pages. So there'll be 2 winners. It'll just be random choice. So go and do that, and I hope you guys enjoy that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This took me a while to make. I had to get burnt a couple times finding these follower pages, this fake followers. There's a lot of scams out there, so be careful. This so far is working great in 2020. This is the site to go on, smmfollows.com. The link will be down in the description, or you can just type the URL in. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.